Hello, I'm Vico from Huashengming Machinery. Today I will show you what we produce and how is a production line is set up. A traditional product line consists of three stages crushing. First is the primary crusher, the jaw crusher. It also makes the material, handles the big materials about 40 to 60 centimeters and breaks them down to 10 to 20 centimeters. It's a classic setup for traditional product line. And then the secondary crusher is an impact crusher or a cone crusher. It can break the material that discharged by the jaw crusher about 10 to 20 centimeters down to 8 centimeters. The output from secondary crusher going through a vibrating screen or a trommel screen. So the process is primary crushing, secondary crushing, and then screening. Now, if the customer says they don't have enough sand in their output, what can they do? Now that's where our star products coming in. The double roller sand making machine. As the name suggests, it's all about making sand. And you can control the gap to adjust the output size suit your needs. The material smaller than 5 centimeters can go into the roller crusher to break them down to 10 millimeters.